Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Friday. Yes, it's Blades, I'm back. And this is Amberskies. Let's have some fun. Oh, why not? What do we got today? Ooh, we've got a blank sheet. Oh, that's good news then. That means we can do anything. Right. Okay then, let's do anything. I was thinking yesterday. Oh dear. It's usually bad if I think, isn't it? Oh. So that means you've gone and thought. Yeah, I have. Time to sort things out, shape things up, and get things going. Have we got GIMP or something here? Might have G GIMP. Here we have. Right, okay. Here we are. Got a bit of big GIMP. Wow. Hey. What I was thinking is, well, you know that lovely intro that we've now got working? Wouldn't it be nice if we could do something with it? What are we on? Sandbox, aren't we? Yeah. Well, let's get rid of that music. That's okay. We are in Sandbox, if I'm right. Let's have a look. Yes, we are. Have we got resources? Yes, we have. Do we have textures? Yes, we do. So we're going textures. Alright, let's change that. Fiddling around yesterday and I thought, let's draw a picture. So I did. What picture have we got now? That one there. How's about that? Is that any good? Think that'll do? I do. I've just taken it off a game that I play. I just did a quick photo of Red Dwarf rising over the side of a rock, a planet that I was on. So all I need to do now then is export it. Export as JPEG, please. May as well. It's smaller, isn't it? JPG. D. Game development. Sandbox. Resources. Textures. Yeah, that'll do. We'll export it there. What's this little thing here? 90. How's about 100? Who cares? Export. Lovely. That's that done. Bye to that. Hello to that. Do we get anything? Nothing. So where did I just put it? I'm sure I clicked on Sandbox. Sandbox. Update. There it is. There it is. Found you. And with a bit of that, let's get going. So we have a texture. We just need some source material. We need some states. We could do with an intro state, maybe. Yeah. Come on. You're here. Lovely. Let's see what we've got here. We have the intro. Yay! This is looking alright. I'm liking this. This is nice. We can update Hold on a minute. We can do that. Init background, huh? Yeah. We are going to need a texture though, aren't we? Whoopsie daisy. Where's my coffee? Hello, viewer. Good to see you again. Oh, better welcome everybody in chat as well. Hello to all. Hello. There we go. I'm in one of those mild moods. It's Friday. I'm just relaxed. Me relaxed. Oh dear. Yeah, I can do that. Texture. M_back. Ground texture. How's about that? Yeah, that'll do. Right. How does this go? Anybody got any ideas? I have a few. Oh yes, we've got that thingy to do today as well, haven't we? Oh yeah, can do that. So we've set the size. We've got ourselves a vector 2f. We've got the window size, and we have a background set fill color. Let's not do that. Let's do something slightly different. So, if not, typical. Do I have to put that in? No, I don't. M_back ground texture. Let's load that from a file. It'll be resources, textures, and it's going to be intro, something or other. Background 1 JPEG. Okay. Background 1.jpg. That'll do it. Is that alright? Yeah. Alright, so that's that part is equal to false. And then we can throw it out, I think. Yeah. Error. Intro state. And that's no good if I do it that way. Just won't work. Don't know why. There we go. Throw. Error. Intro state. And we're off. Yeah, init. Init. Something or other. Background. That just failed. Whoopsie daisy. Yep, that'll do. Nice one. And I think all we need to really do now is just put M background. Dot set texture. Yep, that'll do it. And we'll need star texture, so that's the address. Okay. M_back ground texture. That's that done. Let's see if this works. Build first. It'll be a mess if it does. Oh, it won't be a mess. Nah, Blaze doesn't make a mess, does he? Yeah, of course he does. All the time. Alright, let's see what we've got. Well, hey, one background. Yep, that's working. Okay. We're getting somewhere. How big's the screen? We need to know how big the screen is now, don't we? Let's pop it over here if we can. I'll want data U. Okay. I've got 1400 by 810. GIMP. What should I have? 1920 by 1080. Okay. 1920 by 1080. So 1080. Let's save that. And try again. Oh, a lot bigger. Yeah. That fits on the screen, doesn't it? Just. Yeah. Just a bit to the right. Okay. So that's what we're looking at, full screen now. Problem. Let's move our buttons. Where should we move them to? Yeah. That's a very good question. Where shall we move them to indeed? Let's use a little bit of common sense. Right, target draw background. That's what I'm looking for here. Render, here we go. Okay. Let's do something different for once. Let's give ourselves a utility. Yeah. Debug util. That'll do. Haven't done one of these in ages. Wow. First debug utility for absolutely ages. Okay, I want the mouse, so SF. I just want some text, so let's call it mouse text. What else do I need? I need to set its position. So mouse text. Let's set you some position. And we're going to have it somewhere, so I'm going to break this down because it's going to be somewhere, and we'll want it as what, an SF vector 2F. SF vector 2F. We only have one of those, so that makes it easy. And that would be mouse position. And it's the view one that's float. Yep, that's a float. So we'll take the view, we'll take the x coordinate, and I want to move it to the left a bit. I'm thinking around about 16 for the fonts, 32, a bit more, 40, a bit less. Alright, guesstimate. See if that'll work. It should work enough. Underscore mouse. And let's try and get that in the right place. Yeah, funny. I know what I've just done. I didn't put a comma, did I? Okay, come on, let me out of here. And that's Paul's view. Dot Y. What we're going to take... I need to move this one upwards. Again, 16 and a bit more. That's a 20. I suppose. We're using 4s, aren't we? 4 or 40. Yeah, that looks about right. Yeah, I'll go with that. Okay. That's that done. So, mouse. Now I've done that. Text. Set. Font. Yeah. And we'll set you to the one that we've already got. M_intro font. I'll do nicely. M_intro font. Looking good. What else we got here? Character size, that was it, yeah. Mouse text dot set character size. I was thinking 16 at the start, so I'll go with it. And now I'm stuck. Okay. I need an include hash, include. I want S stream. Thank you. That'll do nicely. We'll take you. And that'll give me a cup of coffee because my throat. Oh, well. Debug utilities, my gosh. This brings back memories. Really having fun. String. Stream. Stream. That'll do. Stream. M underscore. Yeah. Mouse pause view. Dot X. No. Yeah. Dot X. Okay. Then we'll have a separator. Then we can have M_mouse view thingy. No, mouse pause. View.y. That's all I need. Yeah. Okay, so if I take them two, we've got them into a stream. Mouse. Text. Dot. Set string. And that's going to be stream string, if I remember rightly. Yeah. Okay. And it's just target, arrow, draw, mouse text. Hold on. There you go. It's only a quickie. Interesting little piece of code. So we now got that drawing. That's good news. Right. So let's get this started. Here we go. It's fun time. Here we go. There we are. Make sure you can see what I'm seeing. Yes, you can. That's good news. Just get rid of you. Thank you. Right. What should we have? 200? 300? That might look good. 300. Let me just note that down. 300. Okay. And exit game. Hmm. 1750, 1000. Can try that. Alrighty. So, down, down, down. Right. First of all, I want to swap these two around. Because it's bugging me. Because I'm going to be adding some more buttons in a minute too. There we go. So I said 1750 X. So 1750 by 1000 or so. Alright. And the other one was 200 by 300. Whoops. 200 by 300. Okay, let's get that up. Right, so width is 150, height is 50. Let's just have a look at that. Alright, it's starting to look better already. Here we go. Yeah, got rid of that. Alright, so new games, looking okay. So that goes from there. So if I then go down to 300, 300. Oh no, it wouldn't be, would it? It'd be 200 we keep. And we go down to 400 here. Yeah. So we could start at 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alrighty, let's do... It's not going to be a new game anymore. This is going to be... Right. It's going to have a game solo. A game online. I want to include... How's about a 3D browser? That's never been done before. That I know of, anyway. That's a base 3. Settings would be helpful. So we can have settings. And I also want to put all of you into square brackets because you're not going to be in use yet until you are programmed. So that's placeholders. Right, okay. So I just said increase by 100, didn't I? So that's 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right, they all can't be called game state now, can they? So that's going to be game solo. That's going to be game online. That's going to be a browser. 3D browser. And that can just be settings. Lovely. This is more like it. Let's see if we can create a menu. A proper one. So all I need to do now is get you copied up to the top. And it's above render. So it's exit, then it's game state, which is now game solo. Alright, yep, that's fine. Yeah. How does that look? Dun 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 dun. Cha. Okay. Now let's look at the smaller screens. That's not too bad. Yeah. Do I need more spacing or start lower down? No. Yeah, okay. I mean, that's a little bit of work I've done in the background, I suppose, with the picture side of things. But GIMP's quite easy, so. And I'm no artist, so I just cheated, obviously. Right. Okay. Yeah. And I can put that on the next stage of that. Right, okay. So these aren't going to do much. And that one does. Oof, that is a shocker. Have we got movement on here? No, we haven't. Right, okay. Why haven't we got movement? Don't need you anymore. Don't need you anymore. I'm not sure I really want to do the movement. Because I haven't really got a good 3D camera. At the moment, I've got a bad 3D camera. Haven't I? Yes. I have. I've been testing it. And it tested a bit weird. Which is fine. I don't mind, things testing out a little bit weird on the things that I write. Quite used to it. But when it's this complicated, I'm not sure I like it. Let's have a look at this camera 3D. Alright. It's not quite right. Let's just put it that way. Alright, so I've got everything. We've got the look at, the mouse update, which does, like, rotation. I've got movement. I've put in all the movement bits, as it were. Coffee. So, we do have a 3D camera. Now I've managed to, well, brute force the strafe direction. But you can't do that with the view direction. The view direction is something completely different. It's a little wee beast, and it's not playing fair. So, here we go, mouse update. It looks as though it's attempting, shall we say, to make the view direction equal to the new view direction, which is a result of the rotation and the old view direction. So, I'm sure that should be 0.3, not -1. But anyway, and on the Y direction, it's exactly the same problem. We've got the rotation around the Y-axis, which is relative to the camera itself, whereas the X direction is a constant. Okay. No, it's the other way around. It's the X. That's the strafe. So the view matrix works, obviously. We've seen it working. Move forwards won't, because that won't change. So move forwards and all the rest of it is pretty darn obvious. It's just strafe direction times move speed. Very simple stuff. That should be coming through from the camera, which is our avatar. Interestingly enough. So let's just pop that up. Or will it come through from the game state? Game state's got the mouse. Surely. Keybinds. That's what I'm after. You've got the keybinds, right. Does the entity have keybinds? No. Avatar. There you are. No, you got, yeah, a lot. Cube size and rotation, that's roughly about all you've got. An update mouse. You see, this is our camera. Alright, let's take a look at this side, which will be, I want avatar up, please. And we'll have the header file as well. What can we do in here? What's our base entity got? We could just put move back in, couldn't we? Update and render is all it's giving out on a move speed. That's fine. There's the camera. Update or render. Okay. And we have an update on the mouse, which sounds to me is button pressed. Captures. Ooh, I just got a dingling then, didn't I? What does that mean? Oh, nothing. An update. Oh, right, that was me spinning the boxes around, wasn't it? Update, is mouse button pressed, update mouse. Okay, update mouse, blah de blah de blah. Screen position, da 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 da. Yeah. Init view, yeah. Camera mouse update. We could do it here. We could pop it in here. Act for the mouse update. Just put it in the main update. We've got delta time already. Or we have separate moves. That might be better. Thinking carefully. Should we use that protected? We can. No, I'm going to go with avatar. I'll move it over to base entity if I need it later, I think. So what I'm going to do then is under avatar, it's already got an inheritance, so why am I keeping everything virtual? That's irrelevant. That virtual word is totally irrelevant. So we're going to do a void move forward, I don't know, and that will take float. Yep, it'll take a float, alright. Float. Move. That'll do that. Let's get on with this. Void. Move back. Move backward. And we can have a float move. I'm just doing this the simplest way I possibly can. Move left. Wait a minute, no, it's move right first. Move right. In other words, positive, negative, positive, negative. Supposedly, if I've got everything right. Void, move left. No, it's not move, is it? That's strafe right and strafe left. Staraf. Is it just one F? Quick look up. S-T-R-A-F-E. Okay, well it's a roguelike first-person shooter. Well, yeah. I didn't know that. There you go. Things you learn when you don't know how to spell. Let that be a lesson to you. I'll have to have a look at that. It's on Steam. Float move. It's an e-sport. Okay. So we're going to have these after the render, aren't we? So there's our render. Okay. Light and camera. Looks good. What did I do that for? I just move my thingy around and it comes up, doesn't it? Yeah. There we go. Nice one. Just wish it wouldn't bounce around as much. So I hope you're all looking forward to the weekend. It's going to be a good weekend. It's going to be ace tomorrow because I've got a really good funny one tomorrow. It's the learning programming thing tomorrow. Learn to program. 2 o'clock Saturday. Awesome. Awesome sauce. Okay, so all that's going to do is M_camera. And our camera is a dot. Move forward. That's it. Use this as a straight pass through. M_camera. Dot. Move backward. Oh, I do like these small functions. They're so much easier to do. Strafe. Move. I better just put it as move, haven't I? No. STR. Yep, strafe. Right. And that's move. And M_camera. Right, any questions, by the way? I've forgotten to ask. I normally ask by now, don't I? If there's any questions about anything to do with programming, it's a programming club, not just me making an MMO. So if you've got any questions about any kind of programming at all, don't hesitate. Just pop them in chat. Get some interesting ones, so I'm quite happy to answer them when possible. If I can't do it straight away, I might do. It usually takes me a little bit of research, and I can answer them usually within the next stream. That's what I aim for. I've got enough research material here to fill a library. So, yeah. I think we should be alright with that now. We'll come back to the camera We're at intro state. No, this is nothing to do with the intro state. And we decided not to include the base entity. So it's to do with the avatar and the game. So let's get the game up. Game state, here you go. There we are. Update input. Yeah. Oh, right. Okie dokies, looks like we've already got this. Here. So it's going to be... I've got left, right, forward and back. So left is... Just remove that. So it's dot strafe left, and we've got delta timer here now, haven't we? That's what I didn't do. So this is just delta time. Fantastic, can get rid of that stupid line now. Whoa! Bonus. Yeah, this is where we add the delta time component, so that goes in here. So that's dot story for right, and again just delta time, because I haven't put the move speed in, have I? So that's left, right, forward. Forward, delta time, and this is moved backward, obviously. Dot move backwards, delta time. Lovely. Right, so I have forgotten that this also has a move speed, but it's hidden. I don't know why it is hidden. Do all entities need to move? Anyway, so there is a move speed, and that is in here. M move speed. So what I need to do here is move, and that's times M underscore, whoops, move speed. No, that's no good, that's never going to work. M underscore move I'm in the wrong place. I'm an idiot. Down, 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 down. Move speed like that. So what we have to do is pop you in, copy V. Ooh, don't do it there. V. Lovely. That should give us direct access with AWSD, if our key bindings are correct. So let's have a look. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's roughly a few cubes. Now, as I said, I think I fixed the strafe. So strafing, yeah, that's looking about right. Yeah, that's not working. If I go, that's backwards, that's forwards. If I just turn around a bit more to that side, that's forwards, that's backwards. So as you can see, it's not working as intended on the move direction. It seems to be very, very confused, as if it's rotating around, well, that way. So if I look, see, that's correct, and then it's still going down that axis, or is it? Yeah, I think it is. That's interesting. Why are those boxes still smaller? Or are they? Weird. I think I'm getting perspective weirdosity. Whoops. Yeah, so we have some movement. It's a little bit smooth. And you can see that the clip plane's working nicely. No poppings. Well, obviously there is poppings, but not in that respect. That's okay. Is that black? No, it's not. That's good. Okay, and the background's not black. So, yeah, that's movement. Neat, huh? Lovely. That's roughly where I'm up to. Now, that means I've got a problem, because I need to be able to multiply two things. Yeah, the move speed's a bit harsh, but that doesn't matter. Oh, very nice outside. Thank you very much for that. That's rather nice. I just got an earful or something. I hope that's not cutting down trees. Yeah. I think we'll just take one of those off. Hope that was a motorbike going by and not no, I think it is. Oh, that's smooth. Yeah, I've got all. You see, we've even got the diagonals on the strafing. Can I turn around that way? Oh, right. It does go weird. It goes backwards. And we're climbing. Oh, wow. I didn't know that was possible. Right, everything's going in the wrong directions. All of the directions are inverting. That is so weird. Yeah, that's taking me down. I'm going backwards and I'm going down. Okay. So if I put me face that way, it's actually going with the y-axis. Interesting. Some interesting results there. How the heck to work that one out? Mathematical conundrum. Right, let's take a look at what we're doing. So we are back to the camera. Oh dear. Who should... This holds the rotation. Let's have a look at the camera and see what the equation is. Pop you on this side. And we'll get the header file out, because I think we might have to change something. Like the speed at which I drink my coffee. Ah, lovely. Eek. Ouch. So, view direction starts off as 0, 0, minus 1, 1, which is correct. Alright, the only time we ever change it is when we do the mouse update and face a different direction. So it starts off as correct. That's just taking a mouse delta in, which is a mouse movement from left to right, up and down, and diagonal or whatever. That's easy to understand. Right, okay. It's that time, isn't it? Alright, get you out of the way a minute. So I just need to close that down a second, because I want that one there. Whoa, that's a lot of screen. Why does it do that, I wonder? That's way out of order. Alright, well, I'll just pop you here, actually. So you just want to scribble. Oh, that looks like it's scribbling stuff, yeah. Oh, dear. Okay, so we have direction. It's a vec4 for starters. And that is starting off at 0, 0, minus 1, 1. During the mouse updates, it's taking on, so it's direction equals a matrix for rotation, which I think is correct, and then it's times dir. So that's the equation that's wrong. And it's used all the way down through here. Yeah, it's always on the rotate. So it's the map for rotate we need to look at. Okay. Wrong one. Right, this is map for rotate. It's header only. I'm going to put it on the other side though. Alright, let's have a look at this properly. So we have translate, rotate, scale. Well, rotate gives back a map 4. And we do have an inline. Wait a minute. What happens if I split this down? Does it all go to merry hell? What is supposed to be happening is that map 4 goes into there. I could make this into a specific multiplier. How does rotate returning the map 4, and how is this operator operating on it? Right. So hopefully they're in the right order down here. Alright, so it's returning result. Not the address of result, not anything else, just result. So it's a copy. Right. Okay. And that's a multiplication for 2 map 4s. And that's a multiplication for a vector and a matrix. And again, you're getting back a copy of a vec4. Commas. Yep, all the commas are in the correct places. Even the W. The 1. I don't think that's working properly. Because what I've got is that, which means that rotation has to... It's given a copy back and it's not going anywhere. The copy's going into dir. Where's the copy being held? What I think is we need to split that down. We've got the maths for it, but I just think we're doing it wrong. I can make it into a function. Multiply with vector. Then you're supposed to do all the other ones, aren't you? That's awkward. That's very awkward. I was reading something earlier. SF has multiplication. Okay. Game state. Do you have any vectors in here, by any chance? It doesn't look like it. Not that kind of vector either. Right. Okay. Just pop it up here then. SF colon vector 2F. And just call it H, I don't care. Right. Nothing. Does this thing even have matrices? I've never even looked. SF. Let's try M. Mat. Nope, doesn't have matrices. Ah. Okay. Alrighty. Just give you a minute. Alright, I want to save the state of this before I go any further. And I'm in the wrong place to be doing it. Right, okay. And let's save this state, so it's the library that I'm worried about. What we got here, me messing around with the camera, yes. So this is current camera with broken direction. Oh dear. Camera. A view direction. Broken view. Direction. There we go. Right, get rid of you. Sync. And push. Okay, that's saved. So this broken state is now saved. What I want to do is split this down into its component parts and see if it acts differently. And what that means is that comes out of there. And goes to there. Why has it gone one over? Thank you. So M view direction. Still gone one over. Is going to equal something or other. And that's going to be something we can reuse, but it has to be an identity. Oh, God. Mat 4. Do I need to set this to identity? Oh, God. Don't know, let's try it. So, yeah, that's now an error, because that supposedly does something different. No, it shouldn't be an error. Thank you. That's in the correct order. Left and right. I didn't do the other way around, did I? Map 4 on the left, map 4 or a vector on the right. And that will produce a vec 4. Blooming hope so. Alright, so we're all in trouble. Then that breaks the line. This could work. Why do I have to keep moving this back one? This is weird. Anyway. So that is just copy and paste. And just do the same here. Yeah, okay. If this doesn't work, I might just go nuts. Because something isn't working as intended anyway. Map 4, rot will do. Carry on with the same name. ROT space, there you go. Okay. There we go. Now that split it down so the equations can now work. Let's see if that's true. And right now I cannot see OBS. Ah, there we go. I can see it again. Ah, lovely. Okay. Weird. No, it's doing the same thing. So if I look down now and go forwards, I go up. Hmm. I need a new camera. There's no other way. There's no other way of saying that. I'm going to have to sit down and write a new camera. I don't believe this. This camera's rubbish. What was the original one? How did that work? I had a completely different one. Where did I leave it? It might be in the original maths. I'll just check. So I'm going to drop it in then. Amber workspaces. Amber 3D. Core. Alright, I don't think I had a camera at all then. Ooh. Interesting. No cameras. Shaders. No. Drawers, models, no cameras. That looks like the original. Let's have a look in this one. Nope. Oh, it would have been an entity in this type of thing, wouldn't it? Yeah. Pitch. Oh, this is the pitch your roll one. Does anybody know if it worked? Escape. That one, please. Thank you. Let's have a look at it. And that's got nothing in it. That's a placeholder. It would possibly do things. No, it wouldn't. That's just a forwards left. That's a strafe one without the rotation. That's a damn shame. Matrix transforms. Yeah, I know. I've been looking through everything to try and find what the error is. Okay. So that means I haven't got one at the moment. Interesting. just tests. More tests. Yikes. No, I don't want any of that lot. No, I don't want any of that lot. Okay. Oh well, leave that one with me then. I'll have to sit down and do one. Okay, yeah, I know what that's about. I've just had an idea, but it's not for video. Right, leave me with that one then. I will do a proper camera, as it were. Huh. Can't believe I haven't got one stored. I bet there's one on my server. But there's about 10 on my server. God, rifling through that lot. No thanks. So, but that's where we're up to with that. That got us nowhere, it just did the same thing. So the view direction really isn't working properly. I think it's got something to do with the way that the Z is coming out. It's something to do with the Z direction because of this. And that's the minus that's messing it all up. And I know it is, but that means I've got my lookout wrong. And what's the other lookout? I'd have to reverse that. But does that negate the negate? There's something wrong with all of this. The equations are right, but the outcome, there's a -1 floating in it, and it starts with that bit there, and it's that line. That's the error. Problem is, that will mean I'll be looking the wrong way. I'll always be looking the wrong way. Because that would turn that into a 1. And I need to build that. Sure. Right, that didn't do anything. We didn't rebuild. Sandbox. Anywhere in sandbox will do. Well, we are messing around with the game state, I suppose, so that'll do. Does it have camera in it? No. So it has to be doing something to do with camera. Yes, I remember now. So avatar. .cpp. All I have to do is that. Save. Now it'll work. Thank you. God darn shelly stuff. Yeah, forwards is backwards, backwards is forwards. Left and right are the same. When I turn left, the world's turning right. but this now works. Oh. The only thing that's out of sync now is that. Rotation. And forwards and backwards. And I have no idea. Yes, I do. How the hell has that fixed it? So, rotation is left to right the wrong way round. Up and down's correct. And W and S are the wrong way round. So that means on rotation around the Y axis. X rotates around the Y axis. So that goes to A1. And that goes to A minus 1. Let's first of all baby steps now, because I've been messing around with this too much. Avatar. Spent all of yesterday on this. Would you believe? So everything saves. Recompiles. Yep. And game start. Just pop you down. Left is left. Right is right. Up is up. Down is down. Forwards is S and backwards is W. Everything's working. So that's the only thing to go now. Camera forwards and backwards. That's interesting. And everything's in the opposite direction, which it should be. That's very interesting. Okay. Give that space back. There you go. Avatar recompiles. Everything recompiles. Get into the game. And we have W, forwards, backwards, left, right. Okay, that's all working nicely. Let's just turn around to the left here. Go back towards the light. We can climb. We can dive. We do get gimbal lock, be warned. Oh my god, I fixed it. Oh, that's annoying. There we go. Right, so we've got full movement. I would never have thought that. Interesting. It means I've got the reverse lookout by the looks of that. So, game is now working and is afoot with no gravity. Gravity. And I still got that on, haven't I? Whoops. We can take that off now, I think. So, that's camera fixed. For now, anyway. Okay. Now, using floating. Oh, it's flying, isn't it? And using isn't spelt that way. Using flying vectors with mouse and keyboard. There we go. Suck on that, people. Yeah, sync. Push. Done. Excellent. Anything else I can think of doing today? Oh yes, there is. There is the big one. Is there anything else I can think of on my notes? See if there's anything in here. We've done stacks and states. Oh my god, everything's starting to tick off nicely. Renders and backgrounds. Backgrounds are now done. My god, we're nearly onto physics. I want some game. Could play Eat the Boxes. No, that's not an interesting game, is it now? What have we got in here? I think these notes are now behind what I'm doing. I've actually just gone ahead of my notes. You joking me? Nope. Wow. Yeah, I think we're okay. We've got a lot more in our intro state than my notes. Alright, state's okay. Oh yeah. Base state. Who was it? Or was it Avatar? There. Entities. I've got all of these entities, and guess what? Yeah, we're not deleting them. Whoops. That's not a good idea. So, for, what is it? Let's have a look. Oh god, I'm back to using one screen again, am I? Just copy that so I can see it somewhere. That'll do. Paste. For, entity in entities. Yeah, okay. For each entity, for each Amber entity in M underscore entities, that's not right. Why isn't that right? I've forgotten my for loops again. I hate doing this because my mind just drifts and I can't see it. Don't need that anymore, do I? Clean that out. Multiple passing. I'll find that later. For count or int, uint. Count equals 0 semicolon as long as count is less than m underscore entities dot size semicolon count, oops, plus plus, and then it's just delete m underscore entities, and then it's just count. There we go. As simple as that. I just want to get that. Ding. Thank you. Right. I'm going to do a quick stress test. I could have used num entities, couldn't I? Just realised I got it 2 lines down. Great. Have we got clamp? I think we have. Soon find out. Alrighty. What happens now? Oh, yes. Oh, that's so freaky weird. Well, was that juttering then? No, it's my refresh on my TV that's not very good. It's not designed for this. This is the worst monitor to be doing this on. That looks pretty smooth to me, but and just want to check one more thing. Can we get rid of this now? And that is alrighty. So utility is not supposed to be on all the time. Alrighty. So how many was that? Just for a stress test. We can have a look in Avatar. That's 1,000, so alright, 2,000. Rotation speed 4. Cube size keep the same. Save, run. Let's go. 2000. Here we go. Try and stop my machine from working. That's the goal now. Hope the 4K doesn't alter that. Might do. Okay. Yeah, there's tiniest flicker. But that's my monitor, unfortunately. I've got it tied down at 60 frames per second a bit at the moment. Or I haven't. Just look at that. Ah, that's gorgeous. On. Watch these cubes speed up now. Alright, that's my frames gone in. Oh yeah, well that is a lot better. But I've got a horrible feeling my FPS has just gone up. Shouldn't matter, the movement speed shouldn't matter. It's on delta time, isn't it? Yeah, that's a bit artificial. Don't get gimbal locked. Wow. That is, yeah. Okay. That's 2000. Game. FPS. Frame limit. Interesting. Oh yeah, let's speed it up. See, the turning and the movement doesn't matter because it's on delta time. So the motions should be roughly the same, but now I have everything at max, which is interesting. Okay, 4000. I must be mad doing this. Let's just hope I don't set the fans off. Now they are going a nice even pace. That's not 60 frames per second now. That's 30. My graphics card limiter's hitting. You'll probably see it quite smoothly actually. Yeah. Doesn't affect your view, it'll affect me on my screen. Interesting. Alright then. So we've won. We've won the God Wars of this. I mean, this point, you can have armies against each other for all I care. I mean, there's plenty of rendering capacity. I don't think we need to go any further than that for rendering capacity. Why does my backspace not work? Oh, okay. One is true. That should be back to 60 frames per second. And you can't tell. Wow. That's perfect. Can I click out, right click outside the window? Yes, I can. That is absolutely spot on. Passed every test. There we go. Done. Right, exit game. Woohoo! Except, come on. Get on with it. Right, I'm getting you out of the way. And I think we've got it. I think we've got the basis for the game. We can work with that. We can do the solo game now, can't we? Ooh. I think it's about time we concentrated more on the player. Possibly. So, let's plan ahead. What needs to be done? What can we do? Well, we can do anything we want. Fix the camera. We've done that. Oops. Where's the drinks? Drinks are on me. Alright, so we've got everything that we're going to need. A camera, a renderer, game states, a way in, a way out, and the possibility of settings coming up as well. That's what all this is about. Yeah, we've even got this, haven't we? Yeah. Which is names, race, and gender. We could always get Bob up for a little walk around the screen. Alright, so it's clean-up time. So, sandbox. Close. Just trying to think of which way to do this. Okay. We need to also sort that out. But that's a big job now. Damn. I've left it too long. And that is bad. Because it's going to affect every single file. As soon as I change this, it'll affect everything. Right, so under CPP, what have we got here? What we can do is put CPP on the right, can't we? Sandbox on the left. Okie dokies. And we're gonna I have to go through everything now and compare to see what needs changing, or if things need changing, I should say. Okay, that's that one there. It should really be the same. Nothing's changed. Right, game time issues. GFX governs speed. No, it doesn't anymore. That's gone. We need to separate game speed from FPS. Done. Just proved that by running it at a stupid amount of FPS. And that's okay there. Alright, so I'll do that in my spare time. Are there any questions? Would anybody like to ask me anything of interest? So that's done. And it was the -1. Typical, isn't it, eh? Absolutely typical. That's all I can say. Right, tomorrow we are on 2 p.m. and it's a learn to program time. I've decided I'm going to see if people are after a learning to program instead of, you know, doing like just a game club where I ask for questions and answers type of thing. I mean, at the end of the day, it's going to be the choice of the people who want to watch, not me. So, because I've been thinking about getting back to XCOM and doing some more games, but with sailing on Sunday, it means I've got very little time to get Mondays, Wednesdays and Thursdays notes together for doing these. As you can see, I've literally gone past my notes today because I was spent more time drawing a silly picture than I did anything else yesterday. And actually getting it right and finding out that I could use JPEGs. Yeah, that was fun, trying to find out what I was allowed to use. So PNGs and JPEGs with SFML will work, I believe. Don't ask me what the PNG settings are. I think it might be 32-bit, but I'm not sure. Don't know, because I'm using 24-bit screen for my graphics at the moment. Just saves a little bit of time, gets the frame rate up. If you don't use 32, you just use 24, straight RGB. Because the alpha you can mix in anyway yourself, so it doesn't matter. Right, I'm happy. I'm actually ecstatic. So, yeah, we have it. We have the beginnings of Amber 3D. So, yeah, game online, 3D browser settings. I'm going to be concentrating probably more on this. We'll be looking at, wait a minute. Let's see, what colours have I got on here? I've got a yellow. Yellow might do. So, what we got next week? So, next week... right, let's see what we've got for next week. We have... not that. Maybe here. Hello. Right, what am I up to? Dun dun dun. Alright, crimes. We're working through this at a hell of a rate. Windows settings and resolutions. Not really bothered about that. done the pretty picture. Player. Oh, right, yeah, a bit of physics, maybe. So we've got things like player, probably some motion physics. Start simple on that. Work towards gravity, which is more complex. I've got to start thinking about terrain. So that's only simple. We might, and I only mean might, have a look into simple animations. But I think also we can do, how's about some 3D models? That might be a good idea. What do you think? I mean, that's my thinking, is that what's restricting my imagination really now is just really what we can physically see and what we can physically do, type of thing. Because a lot of this is, I haven't, also on the menu, so we've got simple animation, we've got particle effects, which I keep saying, never getting to. Well, I've actually done particle effects. It's there. That's particle effects. Just make your boxes a lot smaller. So there's that. Oops, drawing all over my screen now by accident. Yeah, funny. Or something else. Oh yeah, I've got my fog sorted. Did I put it in our shaders or not? Because I might have switched it off. What else we got? Ah, yes. We have the editor, that's the browser. Which is the main goal of this. Yeah, I think we're nearly there. We're somewhere on the edge of the precipice. We've got the base done. We now need the foundations. Well, they look good. They don't look bad anyway. I think we've got a good chance at this, but I've no idea how to do this bit at all. I've done very, very little in the way of 3D models in my lifetime. It's not something that I really like playing with because I find it frustrating. So I'm not sure how we're going to do that. It'll be interesting. It will be very interesting to see if I get frustrated with it and just bin it and go and download some off the internet or something. Could always do that, I suppose. But, nah. I think we'll. Everything's been homegrown so far, so now. The only thing we haven't written is SFML, and it hasn't held us back. It's enabled us to do a few things. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I hope that everybody else is happy with that. I mean, is it really up to me? No, it's uploaded anything there. Nope. Okay. I think that's it. I think we can all tootle off and have some food now. So take care. Have a good weekend. If you're knocking around tomorrow, it's more of a teachy thing. Learn to program, 2 o'clock, Saturday afternoon. Sunday, I'm going sailing, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, in 1700 to 1800, in the Bahamas with the pirates. I'm back with the pirates on Sunday. Yeah, so take care, and above all, have fun.